Hi everyone, and welcome to this guide. Today, we're tackling a common issue for many Lexus RX350 owners, replacing a faulty instrument cluster. If your gauges are acting up, lights are out, or the display is just not working right, a replacement cluster might be the solution. It's a job you can definitely do yourself with a few basic tools and some patience. We'll walk through each step carefully, making sure you understand the process. Let's get started. First things first, safety is paramount. You need to disconnect the car's battery. Go to your engine bay, locate the negative terminal on the battery, and use a wrench to loosen and remove the cable. Tuck it away so it can't accidentally touch the terminal. This prevents any electrical shorts and ensures you're working safely. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a set of screwdrivers, a plastic trim removal tool set, these are crucial to avoid scratching your dashboard, and possibly a small socket wrench. Now, we move inside the car. The goal is to access the instrument cluster. This involves removing several trim pieces. Start by gently prying off the lower dash panel, the one right below the steering wheel. Use your plastic trim tools for this. There are usually clips holding it in place. Once that's off, you'll see the knee bolster. Remove any screws holding it, then carefully pull it away. Take your time with these plastic pieces, they can be fragile. With the lower panels out of the way, focus on the steering column covers. There's an upper and a lower section. You might need to remove a few screws from underneath, then carefully unclip them. Once separated, set them aside. To make room for the cluster removal, you'll want to adjust your steering wheel. Lower it to its lowest position and pull it out as far as it goes. This gives you maximum clearance. Now, look at the trim surrounding the instrument cluster itself. This is usually one large piece that frames the cluster. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry it away from the dashboard. Start from an edge and work your way around, releasing the clips. Once the trim piece is free, set it aside in a safe spot. Now you can clearly see the instrument cluster. It's typically held in place by 2 to 4 screws. Locate these screws, usually at the top and bottom edges of the cluster, and remove them with your screwdriver. Once the screws are out, the cluster will be loose. Gently pull the entire cluster forward, towards you. It won't come out completely yet because of the electrical connectors behind it. Reach your hand behind the cluster and locate the electrical connectors. There are usually 2 or 3 of them. Each connector will have a small tab or lever that you need to press or pull to release it. Carefully disconnect all the electrical plugs. Once all the connectors are free, you can fully remove the old instrument cluster from the dashboard opening. It's time to install your new cluster. Take your new instrument cluster and carefully connect all the electrical plugs to the back of it. Make sure each connector clicks securely into place. Once all the wires are connected, gently slide the new cluster back into its opening in the dashboard. Align it properly and then reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure it firmly in place. Don't over-tighten them. With the new cluster installed and secured, it's time to reassemble the dashboard in reverse order. Reattach the trim piece around the instrument cluster, ensuring all the clips snap back into place. Reinstall the steering column covers, then the knee bolster, and finally the lower dash panel. Make sure everything fits snugly and all screws are back in. The final step is to reconnect your car's battery. Go back to the engine bay, reattach the negative battery cable to the terminal, and tighten it securely with your wrench. Now, get into your car, turn the ignition, and test your new instrument cluster. All your gauges, lights, and displays should be working correctly. If you have any warning lights, drive the car briefly to see if they clear, or consult your owner's manual. Most direct swaps won't require special programming, but it's good to be aware. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you successfully replace your Lexus RX350 instrument cluster. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful automotive DIY videos. We appreciate your support.